Okay, we found 2 tubs of first earlies that I forgot about. What's this one? Caldonian pearl, 2 in the little bucket, just a little 14-litre bucket from B&Q, and 4 in the big bucket. So, see if we get some new early potatoes that Mommy's harvesting for din-dins. Want to get even all them little ones because I don't want them reshooting. Put 2 in that pot, doesn't look very many, does there? They've been in there ages, I forgot about them. They're very little as well in a little bucket, aren't they? I know they're first earlies, but I think I saw one then. Are they all at the bottom?
Yeah.
Seems like you get a couple of nice ones and then loads of diddy ones. That's not a lot from... I was expecting more than that for a tub of first earlies, isn't it?
Maybe because the bucket's a bit small.
Yeah, but for first earlies I thought it'd be alright. Girls! Same variety, but there's 4 in that one. Because it's a big bucket. You put any leftover soil in that button.
Oh, that's better.
Girls! Shh. Shh. Sit! Good girl. Gracie, sit! Good girl. We wait for Nanny to do this. Shh. Well, that's a big one. For Caldonian pearl, I didn't think they even got that big. It's all going to be at the bottom now, aren't they? Because that one came from far down.
We'll just be doing this.
At least we've got a bit more pot now to throw some more in for winter. Hey, oh, Gracie! Don't want to snog right now, love. Stop. Oh yeah, they're nice ones. Oh, that's better, isn't it? Just a few more down there.
Yeah, a few down the bottom.
So maybe it's better doing first earlies 4 to a big bucket rather than 2 to a little bucket.
We need another bucket to put some in.
Some behind you. Let's see what we've got so far from these. You got a ball? Slug eggs. Been a nightmare this year.
Here we go. It might be down the bottom. Oh, bloody.
Should just put her ball in with the potatoes.
Oh, thank you, darling. It's not a potato, we can't eat it, sweetie. Slightly up and down. It's just that.
Well, giving it a shake up maybe.
Yeah. snit a bit. It's quite down the bottom.
All the roots gone down the bottom, haven't they?
Sorry. Down the bottom as well.
That might be it, to be honest.
That is it, I think. That's a lot.
I think I got more from our Swift variety than this variety. So from 6 potatoes, we didn't get a lot. Because if you look at my hand, I have small hands. About a bag of potatoes. First early harvest out of a couple buckets. Not bad, but could be better.